Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and our In the Shop series. So today on the bench we've got a Fender DG11E. We're doing a couple of things, but in this video we're going to replace the jack into the slot. It's a pretty simple procedure, but very difficult if you can't put your hand in and get the jack to the slot. So I'll show you how to do it with a little trick. Let's get started.
We're silent guitars.
All right, so you see, if I try to put this in the hole that's here, I don't know if you can see that, okay, my hand won't reach. I can't get far enough in there to put the jack in. I can kind of reach it, but I can't twist my hand enough so to put the jack in. So here's what we're gonna do. Here's a little homemade tool that I made, and they probably sell this somewhere online, but it's a very homemade tool. So I don't know if you can see it here. So it's basically a 1/4-inch jack, okay, that I soldered. Okay, and if you can see that, so soldered into a guitar string. This is, you know, a low E string, so it's nice and thick. So what I do, okay, is I take this and I thread this into the hole. So I put that into the hole here, okay, without letting the wire fall in. Okay, and once I do that, then I've got the wire that's here, right? So I take the jack, I put the jack into the wire, and I simply just pull this out like this. And now you can see there that I have, my jack is out. You can see that, yeah, there you go, you can see there. The jack is out. So I take the washer, which is right here, take the washer and the nut, put it on. Okay, let's get another angle here. I'll put this like this. Okay, so once I get that like that, I just need to tighten this. Okay, and I've got my little tool here from Nomad. And I'm just tightening that nut so it's nice and tight. I pull this out, and there you have it. It's a very simple way to do this. So I will be making another video on another day, but how to make one of these. You can solder it, but I will definitely show you how to do one without soldering. That's it for today's video. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe, and stay tuned for some other great videos and lots of other stuff on the channel. All right, guys, keep on playing, keep on rocking. Peace out.